Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Midjourney has released the new video generator. It's incredible. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how capable this video generator is, and I'll give you some tips on how to get the highest quality possible of your video. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Alright everybody, if you already use Midjourney, nothing has changed in the interface. The only thing that changed was the fact that they added a new tab called Videos, and here you can see all the wonderful stuff and funny stuff that everybody has created. As you can see, what really calls attention to this model is the fact that it's the version 1 and already has so much details. This is really good. To start this trial, I would like to show you just how much time left I have in my subscriptions. So as you can see, I still have 2 hours and 59 minutes, which is around 179 minutes, because I'm subscribed to the starter plan. So basically, in the Midjourney announcement, they said that to create every video, it would cost around 8 times more than a single image. So if you do the math, 200 divided by 8, you can create around 25 videos. The new model is capable of creating videos based on images. So you cannot come here and type a text and get a video out of that. You first need to create an image, then you can get a video. Let's come here to the create section, and as you can see, I've been playing around a little bit with the videos here. So this is an example. I created this image first, okay? And once you have the image, all that you need to do is just click on it, and then you're gonna have animate image. Here you have 4 options. Mainly, you have the options to animate it automatically or manually. And among these options, you can do it low motion, which is like they say here, the motion will be slow, so it's more stable, or high motion, which may add a bit of distortion depending on the image. And you can also animate it manually. If you choose to animate it manually, once you click on here, you are gonna have to enter a prompt to tell Midjourney what you want it to happen. In my case, the first image that I animate here, I did it automatically, and this is the variations that Midjourney gave me. As you can see, they are very high quality. If you want, you can extend a video up to 4 times, and you can keep doing this. For example, if you want to extend it automatically, just choose between low motion and high motion. And if you want to extend it manually, just choose again between low motion and high motion. This time, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna extend it manually, and I want the woman to smile at the end. So this is my prompt. I want her to smile radiantly at the end. Once you put your prompt, all that you need to do is just pressing submit. So pay attention to the credits. We had 179 minutes. So once the generation is completed, let's check out again to see how many minutes we still have. Okay, let's check the final result. So as you can see at the end, she smiled exactly like I asked for. This is the second variation. And in this one, she also smiles radiantly. When you decide to download your video, I recommend you to come here in download for social media. If you use this one here, download raw, you're gonna get a much more compressed video. So if you want a higher quality video, come here and choose this option, download video for social media, and you're gonna get full HD quality. Now that that video was generated, you can see that 8 minutes of my total allowance was deducted. The good thing about this video system as well is that you can also animate your own images. So you don't need to just create the image on Midjourney. If you want, you can animate your own images. All that you have to do is come here, add your image. Once you do the upload of your image, you can click here on animate image, or if you want as well, start a video. In my case, I want to give Midjourney an idea of what I want, and then I will click here, And here we have the final product. In this case, I really like this one here. This one was a little bit bizarre, but this too, it's really good. And so you can keep doing it. If you want, you can extend the video again. You can either do it manually. For example, if you want the guy to jump out of the tiger, you could come here to manually and type in that prompt and see what Midjourney does to it. It's a really fun process. As you can see, to generate videos using Midjourney is as simple as creating images. Now the real question is it worth the price? Let's have a look here again at the subscription plans. And as you can see here, for just $10, you can generate about 25 videos. For $30, you will be able to generate a lot of videos. But the real star here, the thing that shines, is this Pro plan that allows you to generate unlimited videos. And this is in the monthly plan. If you come to the yearly plan, is even cheaper. To do a comparison, guys, for example, Clean AI, another tool that I really like. Have a look at this subscription here. This is a monthly subscription with 30% off, and you are limited to 8,000 credits. If you decide to go yearly, this would be the price. So at least in this point in time, when I'm recording this video, I think that this is the best plan that you can have if you want to create unlimited videos using AI. Midjourney did announce here that this pricing may change. They still don't have exactly an idea how much it will cost, and inevitably will change. And for this video, that's all. I do recommend you to come here to Midjourney, to the video tab, and have a look at all the wonderful, funny, and mysterious creations that people have done in the last 10 days. Some of them are incredible. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. See ya next time. Take care.